Welcome to THT-EX. As Marechal's authorized distributor in Taiwan, we provide safe power connectors reliable service. Today, let's take a look at Marechal's self-ejecting plug and receptacle system, designed to protect workers and prevent equipment damage. Most Marechal plugs and receptacles are available with a self-ejecting option. The self-eject option ensures that a plug or receptacle is safely disconnected when a vehicle or portable equipment is moved. As a result, workers are protected from electrical hazards, equipment damage is prevented, and maintenance costs are reduced. A Marechal receptacle or plug can be ordered with self-ejecting features. When a self-ejecting female connector is ordered, the standard pawl on the connector is replaced by a shark fin pawl. When the device is installed, the pawl is attached to the power cable with a tension cord. Then, if the connected equipment is moved, the tension cord lifts the shark fin pawl and the connector is ejected before damage can occur. When a self-ejecting male plug is ordered, a shark fin mechanism is added to the plug. During installation, a tension cord is attached from the shark's fin to the power cable. When tension develops in the power cable, the shark's fin mechanism lifts the standard pawl on the female receptacle, and the plug is safely ejected. Self-ejecting connections are commonly used on truck hookups, cranes, railroad cars, refrigerated food carts, delivery vehicles, and other portable equipment. Please note that the self-ejecting feature requires modification to the receptacle that allows straight insertion and disconnection. At THT-EX, we are dedicated to providing industrial safety solutions. For more information, please contact us today. Thank you.